Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. Today I want to cover a new feature in Steadybit that makes it so much easier to report about your chaos engineering rollout and understand the activities of your teams across your organization. Now in Steadybit you have a reporting section that you can use to deep dive into your data and understand the activities of your teams. Like for instance the first report in here where we can simply see how many experiments have been executed by the teams. I can also drill down specifying a different time period or a specific team, which allows me to understand the most active teams in my organization and which ones need a little bit more help. Another report includes the attack type that have been executed in the experiment, which is great to understand what kind of faults have been already tested in your systems and what specific faults may be missing, which is something you can use to reach out to the teams and discuss other chaos engineering scenarios. You can also understand the results in the experiments executions easily and hopefully see a positive trend, like the amount of failed executions is going down over time, and eventually you have more and more completed experiments. Also, you can detect easily how many issues have been discovered by your experiment executions by drilling down on experiment runs that were completed in the past and have now a failed execution. This way indicating that there is some gap in your system or in your chaos engineering experiment that you need to investigate. Obviously, it's not only about experiment execution, but also about experiment creation. Like for instance, where the teams are using a template that you have recently rolled out and you want to understand what kind of method is used for creating a new experiment. Of course, you can always drill down further on your own by simply downloading it as a CSV file. Alternatively, you can also download it as a PDF to have a report that you can easily send across the organization and have everyone on the same picture, or just forward a link to a specific report. This is basically the first step enabling you to better report. There will be a lot more functionality added in the upcoming weeks, so make sure to follow us on social media or YouTube. Thanks for watching and take care.